Reward those who publish your articles. It is pretty obvious that content is king online. It is also obvious that writing more content and submitting them to other sites will help boost your popularity and bring more visitors to your site. So why wouldn't you help boost those pages that have your articles on them? I want to share a small tip that will help boost your article's popularity all over the world. See, most of us who do write articles are mainly concerned about getting their articles published. Well, why wouldn't you reward those who publish your articles? I am consistently finding ways to boost PR ratings for all of my pages within my site. You should be too. If we are all trying to do this, then why don't we help boost our articles on other sites? Here's an example of this. I have an article titled, "Getting a Better Rank for All Your Pages." Now, simply listing this article on my site isn't enough. I also promote and submit this article wherever I can. If by chance a website publishes my article, I will reward that site by adding a link on my site where that article is listed. In fact, if you've seen my marketing tip articles, there is a small resource box at the bottom of each article that links to all the sites that have listed that specific article. Being more specific, I don't link to their main page, I link to my article. Here's what that accomplishes. Let's say your article is listed on Articles R Us and you want your article to be found by anyone who searches for that company. Boosting your PR rating for your article on Articles R Us will help you get more visitors from that site. See, it's not only about listing your articles, because we would all like to have our articles found right away and first. Don't miss the chance to gain more visitors by letting your article die out on the site that you listed it in. What if all your articles listed on other sites had a PR rating in Google of PR4 or more? That would be great. That would be great, because we all know that Google rewards your link popularity when listed in a page that is PR4 or more. So don't be shy to reward those who list your articles. Doing so will only boost your search engine ranking and also give you a lot more visitors than before.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.